Hey, what's up, guys? And today is a special day. Today I'm going to show you where to find the 3 legendary birds: Articuno, Zapdos, and Moltres. Now, I set waypoints, the birds, and right behind me is the tower that Moltres spawns in. I mean, not Moltres. Let me rewind. Hey, what's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you where to find the 3 legendary birds. I set waypoints to each bird, and behind me is the tower where Articuno spawns. Right here is the big tower where the altar for Articuno spawns. And here, Glacier Feather, required to summon Articuno at its altar. Now, if I right click this altar, Articuno should spawn. Oh, there's Articuno. Oh, here we go, guys. Dewgong, go! Okay, I think I'm gonna use Aqua Tail. Oh, that did a lot. Ooh. Okay. Catch. Now, I just throw balls at it because if I damage it anymore, it's gonna get killed. And I don't want to kill the Articuno. Oh! Not good. Okay, let me use another Ultra Ball. Look at Dewgong. So, Articuno, you weren't supposed to get out that fast, man. You healed! Oh god. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, dude. No, Articuno, you're pissing me off. Articuno, bro. Bro, Articuno. This isn't cool. Dive. I need to throw a Pokeball at him. Ultra Ball, go! Catch, please, please. No! Don't use Roost. Good. Good boy. Come on, stay in the ball. Articuno. I hope Zapdos and Moltres are better than you, bro. Oh my god, Articuno. When will you learn to stay in your ball, dude? Like, you'll be a good asset to my team. I'll treat you well. And we'll take down Giovanni. Come on, dude. Come on, Moltres. We'll take down Giovanni. I know how much you hate Giovanni. We don't have to take down Giovanni if you don't want to. Please stay in the ball. We don't have to take down Giovanni. Moltres, please. Man, I mean, did I just call him Moltres, bro? Articuno, my bad, my bad. I didn't mean to call you Moltres. Articuno. Okay. Bro, Articuno. Get in my balls. They're nice and warm inside. I said get in my balls, bro. My Pokeballs, obviously. Come on, get in my Pokeballs. My nice warm Pokeballs. Come on. Oh my god, it's so close every time. I can't do any more damage to him because if I do, he dies. Come on. Oh my god. Dugong, look in my eyes. Tell him to get inside of my Pokeballs. Get in the Pokeballs, Mr. Articuno! Dugong. He was supposed to get in. I'm sorry. Dugong! Articuno, bro. Dugong, you're gonna end up getting killed. I know! Mr. Articuno, get the Pokeball right now! Articuno! That's not me, guys. That's the Pokemons talking to each other. That's not me. Articuno, bro. Please get into my balls. Please. How many Pokeballs is this gonna take, man? Oh my god, I hope Zapdos and Moltres are more willing to get inside of my balls than you. You're literally at 15% HP. Come on. Let me jump on it a little bit. Let me bounce on it. Bouncing on it did not work. Come on. My god. Maybe if I just crouch on it, you know? Let me send that Golduck then. Let me just crouch on it a little bit. Stay in. No! God, mother. You make me very mad, Articuno. Please, Articuno, get in my balls. Please. Oh my god. Where's the Master Ball when I need one? Articuno, bro. I will punch you. Man, dude. Come on, Articuno, please. Oh my god, Articuno. Golduck. Golduck, no. Seadra, you got this. Oh my god, he did a lot of damage to my Seadra. Stay in. Come on. Oh my god, this is not okay. This is actually not okay. Blastoise, go. Blast. Articuno, we started this in the day. It is now sunset. What is wrong with you? Or is it sunrise? Did we start at night? I don't remember. But still, Articuno, get into my goddamn balls. Blastoise? Come on, man. Articuno, bro. Articuno. Come on. Would you like a Premier Ball? Is that it? What about Friend Ball? Would you like to be my friend? Gengar, go. He does not want to be my friend. My god, Articuno. I hope Zapdos and Moltres are more willing to get inside of my balls. Man, dude. Come on. Come on. No! He killed himself! Well, if you guys want to know where to get Articuno and have a better chance at catching him, go to the Snowy Plains biome. Now we're on to go find Zapdos. And this is where Zapdos spawns. He spawns in the Stony Shore biome, in this giant, nice, beautiful tower. And to summon him, you need a Thunder Feather, which will automatically spawn in this tower. And you just right click the altar to spawn in nice, beautiful Zapdos. Oh my god, that did a lot of damage. I like that. I like that, Gengar. Oh my god, Gengar, I actually thought we were about to catch him first try. Let me Hypnosis him. And Dark Pulse. Oh my god. Hypnosis. Come on. He's literally 3 HP. Come on. No! He woke up. Oh yeah, of course he did. Come on. Oh my god. Put him back to sleep, Gengar. Come on. No, no way, dude. Come on. Oh my god, we caught Zapdos. Let's go. He was so much better than Articuno. Now for Moltres. But there's a problem with that. So you see, I already tried finding Moltres off camera. I may have just died, but don't worry about that. I may have tried finding Moltres off camera already. And it seems, to my knowledge, Moltres didn't spawn in our world. I tried, as you see, could not find structured type cultivars, legendary Moltres nearby, which is this structure but for Moltres. So, if we want to get Moltres in this world, which I very much so do, because I need him for the Pokédex, I will Pokespawn in Moltres to hopefully, or catch him and get him on our Pokédex. So, in the comment section down below, don't say you cheated or anything like that. It's just the only way I can get Moltres in my world. No other way. So I'm gonna Pokespawn him. Pokespawn in Moltres. Please don't be mad. Just where I need to find him. It's just I need him for my Pokédex. So please don't be mad. Just subscribe and leave a like with post notifications if you made this far into the video. It'd be greatly appreciated. Now time to get Moltres. Hopefully. And I need to Pokespawn in Articuno again to hopefully get Articuno on my team. Do you want me to put you to sleep, Moltres? I will put you to sleep. It missed! Hypnosis. Thank you. Come on, Moltres. Oh my god. Come on. Come on. Dude. He's still sleeping, which is good. He woke up, which is not good. But I went back to sleep. Come on. No. Oh my god, he woke up. I don't like that, you know? I really don't like that. Like, I want you to stay asleep, Moltres. If you guys are enjoying the cobblemon videos, let me know down below. It'd be greatly appreciated. And comment down what other games you'd like to see me play, because I'm open to anything. Like, if you want to see me play a fun horror game, let me know. If you want to see me play Fortnite, let me know. Minecraft, let me know. Roblox, let me know. Like, I'm down for pretty much anything. So just let me know. It'd be greatly appreciated. Come on. No! Come on. Moltres, dude. You're being very annoying. It missed. Do not miss the hypnosis, Gengar. Get in my balls, Moltres. Moltres, I say get in my balls. Nice warm succulent balls. Come on. Oh my god, Moltres. You're actually mad annoying right now. Hypnosis. Okay, okay, come on. No! He woke up too. Really? I have no more hypnosis. This GG. Come on, Moltres, because I can't touch him. Or he'll die. Like, Moltres, I can't touch you. If you don't want to die, like, come on. I totally missed that. Moltres, man. Like, you look really cool. I would like you to be a part of my team. Along with your friends, Articuno and Zapdos. Okay. Moltres, dude. Come on. Moltres. Oh my god, Moltres. Come on, get in my balls, please. You don't do any damage to me, Moltres. There's no point in fighting. Dude. Moltres. Bro. Come on. Moltres. We, like, talk about this one-on-one. Moltres, bro. Get in. Get inside. Right now. Oh my god. I can't. You, Moltres, are very annoying. Oh my god, Moltres. Dude. Oh my god. It can't be asked. Oh, Moltres, Moltres, Moltres. Dude. What the hell? Oh my god, Moltres, get in my goddamn ball. Right now. Gengar agrees. Long. Would you like a Premier Ball? No, he definitely would not like a Premier Ball. You remind me of Articuno, Moltres. Especially because I kept calling Articuno Moltres. Nope. Screw you. You want to get killed, you're gonna get killed. I'm just gonna give myself Articuno and Moltres. Screw that. I fought them way too long. Slash Pokey give. Like, don't go into the comments and say I cheated. I fought them. I found them. Except for Moltres, but that's because I literally could not find them. It was impossible. So don't go in the comments and be like, you cheated. Like, delete those Pokemon. No, I will not. Because I fought them. They did not want to get in my balls. I already killed them a couple times. So, I'm just going to give myself them. Now, go to the comments. Tell me what games you want to see me play. Please leave like, subscribe if you're new. If you liked this video, please drop a like. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Have an amazing day, and peace out.